Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm taking you to Tate Modern in London, one of the world's most iconic museums of modern and contemporary art. The best part is that Tate Modern is completely free to visit. You can walk in, explore the main galleries and spend as much time as you want. No ticket needed. The museum has 10 levels spread across a huge former power station on the River Thames. There are massive open spaces, smaller quiet galleries, and the famous Turbine Hall in the center. So, depending on what you like, there is something for everyone. And before we head into the galleries, I want to mention the souvenir shop, where you can find posters, design objects, and lots of really unique books. And one that caught my attention, the Atlas of Borders. A fascinating book if you're curious about how world borders were formed, or even things like who actually controls the South Pole. So definitely check out the shop if you love art or geography. Okay, let's head inside and take a walk through the galleries. Tate Modern features an incredible variety of modern and contemporary art. From surrealism and cubism to abstract expressionism, photography, sculpture, video art, and huge room-sized installations. You'll find works from artists like Pablo Picasso, Henri Matisse, Mark Rothko, Salvador Dali, and many more. The collection is huge and constantly changing. And what I love most about Tate Modern is that it's not just about looking at art, it's about thinking. Many of the installations and works here raise important and sometimes challenging questions like cultural identity, freedom, gender and personal history. The power of mass media, particularly how media shapes our attitudes, beliefs and consumer culture. Violence and oppression, particularly violence against women or marginalized groups. Intolerance and conflict. Many works address political tensions, racism and ethnic or religious conflicts, especially in the context of Africa and post-colonial history. Globalization and inequality. Artists use recycled materials to show how global trade affects culture and society. And one practical tip for you, if you want to go a bit deeper into the art, Tate Modern offers a multimedia guide you can pick up on levels 1 or 2. It's available in English, French, Spanish, Italian and German. Alternatively, you can use your phone. There are self-guided audio tours you can download and you can explore at your own pace. Also, while general admission is free, some special exhibitions at Tate Modern are ticketed. For very popular shows, it's definitely a good idea to buy tickets online ahead of time because slots can sell out fast. And for evening Tate Late's events, even the free tickets may need to be reserved in advance. And before you leave museum, you can go up to the 10th floor. There is a cafe and a bar with one of the best free views in London. From up here, you can see St. Paul Cathedral, the Millennium Bridge, and the River Thames. Thanks for joining me today at Tate Modern Museum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next one.